Good evening, everyone. Thank you, DNB as well as Axis Bank for this wonderful opportunity. It's a real honor and pleasure to be here. Organic wellness, I'll just share with you what organic wellness is, what we did, how we started. I hope it will be of some use to you sharing the story. Organic wellness, when we started, we were very, very clear. We'll build a brand. We were mad. We said we'll build it a brand which is with a thought process of a global branding. If you talk about organic concept in our country, it is basically leaves which are twisted in different yoga positions and companies put up the brand. Right? Most of the companies, if you see, organic as a per se, हरी पत्ती लगा दीजिए, कुछ तरह के आसन बना दीजिए, and you have a logo over there. When we started organic wellness, we had a vision which was very, very different. We had healing hands. If you see the logo, what we have, it's a healing hands. Green represents organic and blue represent wellness. So that's where the name came as organic wellness with a punchline, together, let's heal the world. When we came up with the punchline, we were talking together, let's heal NCR, India, Asia, but we thought, people call us as mad. We thought, let's call it as heal the world. That's where the beginning was. Now, to make authentic organic product, what you need is clean environment, clean air, clean water, clean soil, and clean mind and heart also. Getting clean air, clean water, clean soil is a big challenge, especially in big cities. So we started the journey to find location where we can find a combination of everything. Cutting long story short, we landed in a place called Village Babai, which is about 450 kilometers from here. A place where पानी नहीं है, बिजली नहीं है, इंटरनेट नहीं है, मोबाइल नहीं चलता, इंसान नहीं है. Once in a while you see a buffalo or a bakri. We ended up landing there. Any expert, any consultant would say, you are a fool to be going over there, but we realized this is where we want to be. This was the location where complete गांव का गांव exodus हो चुके थे to different big cities. We said we want to be here, provide employment, and we ended up setting up a beautiful plant in a 3 acres. Let me just show you some of the pictures. This is the plant which is there in 3 acres of land. I'll not get into the story of how we bought the land, all those things, that will take too much of a time. This is plant which is now managed, run by 100% locals. I don't have any of my relatives, any manager, any senior person managing the show. Yes, first 2 years I was based over there. The purpose of creating this business is everyone in the chain should be in a win-win situation. That's where our focus is. A business with a purpose. We wanted to create a brand. That's where the thought process was there from day one. And it was not easy. And it is still not easy. Every day starts with a new challenge. Every morning a new WhatsApp comes up, which is a challenge, and that's a great way to improve. Any challenge which is coming our way, we think it's a way to improve. Coming back to the factory. We were committed to have 100% local people over there. When we started the plant, machines were imported. Some of the machines were local, some were imported. Everyone was talking about take some experts, some engineers from big cities. And I was very, very clear, we will use 100% local manpower. And I'm proud to say, it took some time. But again, it's the commitment and the passion what these people, so-called illiterate, uneducated people below 8 standard in these villages, what they do is phenomenal work. And the best is, when there is a breakdown in a machine, the guy is talking to a Chinese guy or a Taiwanese or a Hong Kong guy. He doesn't know anything about Bundelkhandi language. This guy has no idea about what the other guy is speaking, and still the machine works and they are able to do the needful. That's the beauty, little bit of technology or digital what brings in. This was not possible if we had done this before. After setting up the plant, first day when we started the production, 16-17 हजार रुपए का माल बना था करीब. I had no idea कहाँ बेचूं से. The belief was there, we are doing the right thing. Because if you have to produce organic, authentic organic, you have to take this route. It's a longer route, but the correct route. The shorter route is sit over here in any big city, कहीं से ही माल खरीदिए, पैक करिए, MRP बढ़ाइए, बेच दीजिए. That will not take you places. Sitting over there, people were very, very clear the product is authentic. And believe me, sitting over there, just putting regular updates on social media, brought my first export order from Finland. You see this. This is my distributor from Finland, Hanna Maria and Mika. Finland, Village Babai no one heard of. The guys travel all the way to see what we are doing. They visited 3-4 more companies, big names in India, finally ended up becoming our partners. And that's where the first journey of our export began. Domestic, huge challenges, but people have started recognizing, respecting the work what companies like ours are doing on a sustainability basis. Because our motto is, everyone in the chain, starting from Mother Earth, to the farmer, to the associate, to the team member, to the end consumer, and environment as a whole should win. How we do that? Mother Earth, because we are working with marginalized farmers who have a land holding of 1 to 3 acres only. They are in the remote village where kuch bhi nahi ugta. And we make them grow premium crops like moringa, tulsi, ashwagandha, and they in turn really get good money. They are like our partners, like our family members. And the best part is the plant is located in that remote village, so that trust factor is not an issue. Their child is processing the product over there. So that's another mile we walk in working with them. And when the product that comes out is really authentic, organic, and it meets all global standards. A product made in Village Babai is now being exported to about 28 countries with good presence pan-India. And let me tell you, the company is profitable from day one. This is another beauty. If we follow a vision or a mission focused on sustainability, what I'm talking about, I'm sure most of the experts sitting over here, most of the businesses, if you have to enter a store in India, you have to give huge amount of listing fees, huge amount of shelf space. And you see in India, companies are giving us these kind of big shelf space at no additional cost, no listing fees. Because we stand different from them for other companies. Yes, they charge huge money from the other companies, but we are given special support because of the work what we bring in. And everyone is very smart. You are all sitting over here smarter than me. You will realize in 2 minutes how authentic I am. And this is the beauty what this business brings in. And this is not limited to what I'm doing in NCR. As of yesterday, we will be entering about 240 stores of Ross Pharmacy in Calcutta on similar business model. Without the business what we have created, without the model what we have, without the basics of sustainability we have, we won't be doing what we are. And that's what the beauty it is. it's a lot of hard work, a lot of commitment, a lot of issues, but the fruits, what we get out of it is amazing. Can you imagine my distributor selling my products in Moldova, a small city? They are taking few containers from me now. A small city like Moldova, and here she is promoting organic wellness products. Because we are very, very clear, we don't do bulk, we don't do commodities. We have decided very, very clearly, if 1841 DNB started, and they could be what here today, I was stunned actually. Time has come for us to create some of the brands like this. It's a lot of patience, a lot of perseverance, a lot of hard work, a lot of challenges. For us, it is morning 6 to 11. For me and my team, let me tell you, most of my team members from morning 6 to 11, we are on it. We don't know what is Monday, what is Sunday. But we enjoy it. This is another beautiful story. This lady from Finland, when she came to the factory, we started planting the tree from her. Most of the villagers, they were there. They said, "मत उगाइए सर, आज तक यहाँ plant ही नहीं उगा. कुछ पेड़ नहीं उगता इस जगह में. Please welcome to visit us." Now if you see my factory, it is all green around. This is the factory. Is this something we can really put our energies behind? And again, if anyone is interested, you are most welcome to visit us and see this farm where now the focus is doing on little bit of fresh vegetables also. First, it is very difficult for me to digest. It is very difficult for me to explain and let my team digest. And then, when you go and stand in front of a store, they take you as if you are donkeys, you have no idea how the business is done. But we have taken the tough of it. It works. Sir, it works. Be it India or across the world. If they can trust you, because social media, again, this is another thing. Social media has given so much of information. A guy sitting in Finland, they can understand if there are 20 companies operating out of India, which company to trust on. Really, they don't have to fly in over here. And again, I'm telling you, this is what we have done is, you can see, this lady, she is in a remotest small village of Rajasthan called Ramban Mandi with a population of about 50,000. She runs exclusive organic wellness store. This is a learning from COVID. Don't open new stores. घर से ही store चलाइए. And what big cities have done? Every building is like a small city. A family of 500,000 starting a store. And the best part is the range of products what we have. They've been researched for 40 years by Dr. Narendra Singh, MBBS MD. Book published. And anything to do with health, so you get the... You will see 90% of the normal challenges, health issues in this country can go. But we still don't focus on that. What we are trying to bring in is India's legacy, giving it in authentic form. Like this, and you know, they earn from 50,000 to a couple of lakhs of rupees per month, depending upon how much energy they are putting behind it. The advantage I get is, they are not on my rolls. They are entrepreneurs. I'm not creating employees. I'm creating much smarter, sharper entrepreneurs than what I am. Dream is to have 5,000 such people in next 3 years. We are at 70, and these 70 people will multiply these further as we move forward. This is one of the exclusive stores managed by our team. We've got a lot of PR activities going on. Case study, of course, is being taught in different management colleges across the world, what little bit we are doing. A lot of PR. We are a PR company. We don't advertise. We get a lot of eyeballs because of the work what we do, the story what we share. People love what we are doing. And I suppose that's what, in a nutshell, makes the difference with what we are doing and different from the other companies. In short, this is what organic wellness is. Thank you so much for your patient listening. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help. These are my coordinates. You can always write to me, call me. I'll be too happy to help if I can be in any way. Thank you so much for your patience.